Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying your device and choosing the map source. Open the app and sign in if required, then pick the region you need. Once done, confirm device storage and clear temporary files if space is tight. Choose the smallest bounding area that covers your route. This reduces download time and storage. Make sure Wi-Fi stays connected until complete and avoid switching networks mid-download. You'll save data and ensure the offline pack is intact. You now perform the download and confirm integrity. In the app, tap Offline Maps or Download area, draw or select the coverage box, then name the file so you can find it later. Start the download and watch progress. If it stalls, pause and resume. Once finished, go to Offline Maps list to verify the map shows as available and has the expected size. Make sure any extra layers, transit, satellite, are included before you go offline. You're ready to navigate without the internet. Switch the app to offline mode and run a short test route so you know how routing behaves. If turn-by-turn voice or traffic is missing, understand those features often need connectivity. Make sure to update offline packs before long trips because data expires or road changes occur. If the map fails to load, try clearing app cache, freeing storage, or re-downloading the same area. That usually fixes corrupt or incomplete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.